Oh, hey guys.
It's day 2.
And we're in
Nassau, Bahamas. We're in Nassau.
Let's go. Let's go check out this new cruise port. $100 million renovation. Nice to see you. Where are you from? Actually, might have been more than 100 million.
It's very expensive.
Room service. Never a bad day.
JJ's signature towels.
Towels. Breakfast.
Donuts. Coffee. Boxes of cereal. It's becoming a JJ and Abbie tradition to have homemade mimosas.
First time right here.
Opa! Get yourself your
good?
free room service orange juice. Bring on your own Prosecco or
2 per cabin allowed.
cava.
And then mix
And then
and
mix
enjoy.
them. And then it's called a mimosa.
Cheers to the camera woman.
Cheers. Actually though, just to clarify, these are really unfancy because they're warm mimosas. Because in this room, our cooler is hardly a cooler. So be careful what you put in there and what you eat after you put it in there, and don't be like JJ and put milk in there and then drink it the next day before you're in San Juan and then you're stuck in the bathroom at the Burger King in San Juan the whole day.
Literally happened to me.
So just test it out, use your judgment. If it's not that cold, don't drink it.
And if it's cold, do you,
Enjoy.
fam? Cheers.
It was such a windy day, but we were really impressed by the new port here in Nassau. The shops were really cute and offered a variety of food, drinks, and souvenirs, and the employees were super friendly. We really loved that people weren't in your faces anymore trying to get you to buy things. It was really nice. Overall, this is a huge improvement for Nassau. Check it out. Let us know what you think in the comments.
We're at the Pirate Republic Brewery in Nassau. We never knew it existed. We're here now.
We got a stout.
The black beer stout.
And we have a
Pineapple Pilsner.
So I feel like this is a new challenge, the JJ beer test in other countries. Only episode 2, so the show's a bomb. I feel kind of wrong doing it with a craft beer.
Yeah,
I'm supposed to use
a
like the local
Sands.
Bud Light PortSide equivalent
Yeah.
of that country.
And then
That's exciting.
we're gonna complete our must-dos for today. And I
don't
think
think I
we're
can
gonna get
zip line.
tapas. I don't think there's zip lining at all.
I don't think they're gonna let me zip line with this one, but we're gonna get tapas for the lady. And maybe Playmakers movie later tonight. JJ beer test in other countries, episode 2. First up today, folks. Old Sands Light.
Proudly
Bahamian
brewed
classic.
here, truly Bahamian light
This is
beer.
the Miller Lite of the Bahamas. 6-1.
6-1. Ooh.
6-1.
Okay. That's not a great
I'm
score.
gonna double down for a second swig to try this again. Beer number 2, Sands Heavy, Sands Senior, Budweiser of the Bahamas. Let's give it a go.
Go, go, go.
6.85. That's a 6.85.
Very specific,
That's a 6.85. I wanted to give it a 6.9.
but you
Still
didn't.
thinking about it. There's always a wild card, folks. Bring in option C, a Sands Pink Radler. Haven't had a Radler since Germany.
At a whopping
Shout out Danny.
2.3% alcohol.
Yeah, 2.3, so this is basically hydration. I mean, we're going strictly flavor. That's a 7.9. That is delicious.
That concludes this episode of JJ's Beer Test in Other Countries. I hope you heard what he said. So this is new. This is new. And I know it's new because we check on every cruise that we're on. And a lot of you have also asked us if these Been There series cups are Starbucks or ship specific.
Which they are not.
They're never ship specific.
Until
It's
today.
always like, oh, you're here in Miami, you're here in Florida. But
Oh, peep it, fam.
oh,
Look at
official.
Look how fun it is, though.
Don't drop it.
Look at the promenade. I don't know, boardwalk.
Oh, that's the aqua theater.
PortSide BBQ's on.
Oh, that's musical.
The car, pizza, me ziplining tomorrow.
The abyss.
Oh my god,
Spotlight. Oh, so it's very specific.
This is way more specific than I even
what's
thought.
on the top? Lime and coconut.
All 18, that's the escape room.
And the coconut.
And this flow rider.
Oh wow.
Okay, that's 10 times more specific than that. And look, Starbucks, Starbies. That's actually hilarious. I love the PortSide BBQ. That's now way more fun than I even thought. $20. That's actually a solid.
$20?
I mean, that's a very intricate, good, happy mug.
It's annoying because we're gonna have to buy them on every ship.
If we don't know that they're gonna be on every ship though. Harmony didn't have it a few months ago, so could be an Oasis thing. We'll see.
The biggest carrots I've ever seen. Full size fresh squeezed orange juice. Make one of those shots. We also just, on our way here, got stuck in a parade. JJ loved it. Didn't you?
I know.
Yeah, there was like pirates and all kinds of things happening in the promenade.
Cruise hack number 633. Always get fresh squeezed orange juice. Oh my god.
From Vitality Cafe.
You got the refreshment and or deluxe beverage package. It's free, folks.
Also free. Carrot juice.
Pour fresh squeezed orange juice and Prosecco or Cava or bubbles.
It looks like we drink a lot, but we're just on a cruise. Also, we were walking back from this mission and JJ stepped in somebody's entire pile of dirty dishes.
I was tracking Abbie. I was following Abbie. She somehow sidestepped it. I didn't see it. People put all their trash in the hall, like all their old room service plates.
Full stepped in their whole
room service plates.
in front of other people.
I said whoopsies when it happened.
As JJ would said, we're healing really hard.
Co-stars John Schneider. I don't know if you remember him.
Like a lot. We're about to tip over. Really
This year is going to be Christmas in June. This woman I got to meet and talk to.
We were just at PortSide BBQ listening to music.
And
He was really good.
really good. Now we're gonna go
We're a little hungry. So we're gonna go do one of our must-dos.
Tapas at Vintages.
Yeah, because our dinner's not till 8 o'clock.
Never
We
again.
probably won't do this ever again.
Late dining is hard.
It's really hard. So we're gonna go get tapas first and try it. What's the worst that could happen? We don't like them. So for $12, you get 5 different toppings. And so we got the sourdough with olives and tomatoes and the ham, and these are rice croquettes. And then we also have a seafood dish. Seafood and meat dish for $12. JJ's first time having croquettes. What do you think?
It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Phenomenal. And the last dish. The one for the JJ. Look at them shrimpers. We are currently waiting to order our room service. We just went to the comedy show. He was really funny.
Like the funniest.
He was probably the best one so far. And like he was actually better than the opener. And usually I feel like on Royal the opener is probably the better of the two. But he was really good. We skipped dinner tonight.
Thank you for your patience.
We're waiting for room service right now. This is a struggle on Royal. Like sometimes you wait 5 to 45 minutes to order it.
We did Vintage's tapas, and then dinner was really close and just weren't feeling that. So we're doing room service instead.
Thank you for continuing.
And
Service, can you speak in English?
how are you?
I'm fine.
Can I place an order?
Yes, ma'am. Just going to give you an heads up. It's going to take over an hour, maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours.
It's okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Can we do the Royal Burger, chicken fingers, and hot chicken wings?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
She said that 2 hours.
Wait, go back. I'm out. What did they just say?
She said, I'm gonna let you know it's gonna be over an hour, and I said, okay.
It's a-
She says
it's
it could be
2:45.
up to an hour and a half or 2 hours. It right now is 10:58. Okay, well, we are going to wait for this room service. Hopefully it does not take 2 hours, and then we're gonna go to bed and see you guys tomorrow, which is a C day. I love you, Mom. Love you, Mom.
Love all the moms in the world.
Okay, update. The food is here. It took an hour and 40 minutes, but the pizza looks incredible. Chicken fingers. The burger looks great. And chicken wings.